Hello guys, welcome to Ajukarthik and today we are going to start with 11.4 exercise. Okay, so previous video I have done the exercise 11.3 but suddenly I remembered that there is one more exercise which was at the last page, so I was unable to see it. I got to remember it right now. So this video will take total 3 videos to get completed, or I'll see if I can complete it in 2 videos. Okay, so let's start. Over here it is given that their radius is given, there is a sphere. Finally we have continued to the sphere, unless we were like continue with the cone and cone only, there was no other question than cone, but finally we have got the questions related to sphere. Okay, so here it is given that the radius of the sphere and we have to find out the volume of the spheres respectively. So first question, first radius is 7 centimeter. Now I hope you remember the formula. The formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7. So 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 cancel. 3 will remain in the bottom only. So 27 7 are 49. 49 into 88. So our answer will be like 49 into 88 divided by 3. So it would be like 1437. Yes. So when we solve this, we'll get the answer. 7 7 49 into 22 44 88. Okay. So 8 9 72. 8 4 39 it would be, into again 3 9 2. So 2 9 to 11 9 10 11 12 13 4 3 1 2 divided by 3. But when we like 4 3 1 2 by 3, you can write this. But if you want to convert it in the mixed fraction, so you can write it as 1437 1 by 3. Okay, it would be 1437.3333. Okay, now second is the radius is given 0.63 centimeter. So wait, I forgot to write the unit. Centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. You can write, or either of these you can write. It's not important that you write both, or you can just write any of these. Okay. Now again 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.63 into 0.63 into 0.63. Okay. 7 9s are, so it would be 0.9. Okay. With 0.09 it would be. So it would be 0.03. Okay, so when you solve this, you will get the answer 1.05. Okay, I have solved this. So not 1.05, here it will come centimeter cube also. This will be our answer. This question is easy, but this question was like confusing, converting to mixed fraction, multiply, and that's all. Okay. Now we'll continue with the next question of the video, which is question 2. Now in this question, basically we have to find out the amount of water which is displaced when a spherical ball is put into the water. Okay, like see, there is a bucket of water. Okay, if I put my hand inside it, so some amount of water comes out. How much water comes out? The amount of water which will come out is same as the volume of our hand which we have put. So like if I put this much hand, okay, this much, so I'll just find out the volume of this much hand, and it will be same as the amount or you can say the volume of water which is displaced. Okay, now uh, volume is again 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 28 into 28. Okay, now wait. Is it like diameter it is? So we will have to find radius. So 2 by 2 by 2. So it would be 14, 14, 14. 2 times, and like this 3 will be in the diameter only. This is okay. So 14 to the 14 14 196. Okay, 196 into 2 is 392. 392 into 88 divided by 3. Okay, and when we like solve this thing, we get the answer 1149 upon 3. Okay, this would be our answer. This would be in centimeter cube. We know that like 1000 like 1 centimeter cube equals to 1000 liter cube. If you want to leave it like this, you can leave it. Otherwise, if you want to convert in liters, you can. Okay, now like I'll keep it like in the volume only. This one I'll convert in liters. Okay, now again 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.21 by 2 into 0.21 by 2 into 0.21 by 2. Okay, this 2 cancel 11 times. 7 3s are 21, 0.1. So 0.1 into 4 is, wait, 0.1 into 11 is 1 point, instead, wait, leave it like this. 44 into 21 into 0.1 is 0.021 into 0.21. Okay, wait, these two cancel, so it would be 11 only. And when you like solve this, you will get the answer 0.004861 meter cube. And we know that 1 meter cube equals to 1 kiloliter. So it would be 0.004861 kiloliter. And if you multiply it by 1000, you will get the answer in liters. So let's multiply it by 1000. Okay, 1000. So 10, 100, 1000. 4.861 liters. Okay, now we will continue with the next question. Okay, now continuing with this question, it is given that there is a metallic ball. Okay, let me write the units. Now, there is a metallic ball whose radius is 2.1 centimeter. See, basically diameter was given 4.2 centimeter. So I found out the radius, which is very easy. Diameter divided by 2, radius equal to 2.1 centimeters. Its density was given 8.9 grams per centimeter cube. Now, what we had to find out? Here we have to find out the mass of the ball. Okay. Now, we know that mass of ball, mass of that mass of sphere, mass of sphere, mass of sphere is equal to that density into volume. Okay. Now mass equals to a density is 8.9 into volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Again 8.9 into 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. Now 7, 3, 21, 0.1. Oh, wait, it was 8.9. Now, wait, these got cancelled. So nothing is left in denominator. Now 22 into 0.1 is 2.2. 2.2 into 2.1 into 2.1 into 4. Okay. Multiplied by 8.9. Now, when we will solve this one, we get 8.9 multiplied by this answer would be 38.808 centimeter cube, and this would be gram upon centimeter cube. Now centimeter cube cancel. So 8.9 into 38.808 will be 345.3. Okay, 30.30, and 30 you write or 3 you write, both are the same things, but here the unit will come gram. See, if you don't know, it will come in kg or grams, so you can do just thing. See, gram per centimeter cube. Per is used to like symbolize divide, so gram upon centimeter cube, and here 38.808 centimeter cube, they both got cancelled. The unit left was gram, not kilogram. If it would have been kilogram, then our answer would be in kilogram, but this is gram, so we'll write gram only. If you want to convert it in kg, if it is given in the question, this is just for reference. So if it would be 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, which means 0.3453 kilograms. But this is not required. This is required. This is not required until stated to do so. Okay, this video was till now only, but in next video I'll continue with the next questions. Till then, bye bye.